Bella. In class. Come.
Alright, good morning again, everyone. I think we can start now. Um, so basically, today we're going to deal with validation, meaning restricting what a user can input into your web forms. And this is really important because in any business, any organization, anything that you want to map and build an application for, you have to ensure that correct data can be entered or is being entered by the users of the application. Now, you can just build a website and have a form, and the user can put any data random, and that can be stored into your database, and that's business data, which means that it's very easy for them to enter wrong things, and then it's taken as if it is actual business data, which you don't want to have happen. What you want to do is, to the best of your ability, to the best that the software or the technology would allow, you want to restrict or you want to manage what kind of data actually is being entered by the users. So, for example, if you have a text field and that text field is for an email address, you should kind of be sure that the user is actually entering an email address in that particular field. If you have things like asking the user to confirm their password, so they're changing their password and they have to confirm. So put a password and then repeat the password. You have to be sure that they're both exact. How do you check those things? And that's what we want to deal with today. That's validation essentially. Now, after I do that today, we will go into our breakout rooms and then I will meet with each group individually. This week, on here, you were supposed, I gave you specific tasks without actually giving you tasks, in the sense that I told you you are now responsible for yourself. Each group has to decide how they're going to move forward in terms of what they're going to complete for the week, who's going to be assigned what, etc., etc. And some groups took it, they understood what they were supposed to do. I asked you last Monday to create one table or probably two related to the entity, the main entity that your project is based on. So if you're doing a bakery, it could be bakery items. If you're doing a toy store, it's the toys. That's your product. So the majority of you have products, Java classes, finding a product, things like that. Based on the tutorial that we did, it was a good guide as to how you should proceed, right? There's quite a few groups that didn't meet at all. I don't know if you assume because I didn't give you specific tasks that it meant, well, we don't have nothing to do. But remember, you are responsible. I just put tasks to help guide you in the beginning. To be fair, I'm not supposed to even put any tasks. I should have basically just let you be. But I know it probably would be difficult if I just let you go, right? So some groups didn't do anything. I don't know why. I don't know why you felt that okay, there's no need to meet because I didn't post anything. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what happened, right? I know some people had issues with the tutorial and was trying to complete that particular tutorial. Um, and it took part of the week. I met with a few students who were having issues and kind of sorted it. I also asked in the group if anybody were having issues to let me know, and nobody else messaged. So I assume everybody else has completed that tutorial and it's okay. There's quite a few groups that didn't meet at all. I don't know if you assume because the idea is you need to, if I don't tell you to do something, doesn't mean you have nothing to do. There's a deadline date where you